How to message yourself on Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to message yourself on Telegram. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So once you're inside here, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and just click on this saved messages, as you can see here. So now all you have to do is just click on this message over here. So let me say at 2:30 p.m. today I want to eat a lunch. So just like that, I will be messaging myself as a reminder. So then let's say at 4 p.m. I want to go to gym, just like this. So once you do and click on send, you can always view it later over here, like simply clicking on this top, it will always be on top. You can also pin the message if you always want this message on the top. So that is exactly how you can send message to yourself on Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.